Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable and turn on safe browsing on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select where it says Privacy and Security, and then select the security button underneath privacy and security over here. There should be something that says enhanced protection or standard protection. Select either one of those two options to enable safe browsing, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.